Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making one of the most delicious dessert with a very limited ingredient, as you can see. So we are going to make chocolate balls. So let us have a look at all the ingredients I have taken here. So the very first ingredient which I have taken here is Oreo biscuit. You can change the amount of quantities as per your requirement. Then a bowl of milk which is at a room temperature. A bowl of powdered sugar which we will be adding according to the taste. And here I have taken around 100 grams of dark compound chocolate. And finally I have taken here a few sugar balls which is completely optional, and we'll be using this to garnish our chocolate balls. So now let's get started with the further process. So I have added few amount of biscuits into it, and now let us grind it into a fine powder. So yes guys, we have converted all our Oreo biscuits into the form of powder. So now let us go on to the further process. So firstly we will be adding all the dry ingredients into it. So here I am adding this powdered sugar into it. So you can add this according to your taste. So now let us mix all of them properly. So now we'll be adding a little amount of milk into it. Now with a very little amount, and now let us knead it in a form of dough. So let us knead it properly. So yes guys, you can see that how properly we have kneaded the dough, and now we will be taking out small balls from this dough, something like this. So similarly we will be making out the rest also. So yes guys, I have made the balls from the entire dough. So now we'll keep this in fridge for around 5 to 10 minutes in order that they set well. And then we'll be going on to the further process. So yes guys, now here I have taken a bit of wider bowl, and now here I'll be adding my dark compound chocolate into it. So I am using this microwavable bowl because I'll be microwaving this, and now here I'll be adding a very little amount of milk into it. You can either add cream also, but right now I prefer adding milk. So yeah, not much. And now let us microwave it for 1 minute. If it's melted, it's very good. Otherwise we'll repeat the process till the chocolate does not melt completely. So yes guys, after microwaving it for 2 minutes, my 100 grams of chocolate is being melted properly. So now, in order to reduce the temperature of the ganache, we'll keep this in fridge for around 5 minutes, not more than that. So yes guys, 5 minutes are over. So now on the same spoon, something like this, we'll be dipping this chocolate ball into this chocolate ganache, and with the help of fork, we will nicely wrap over the chocolate through the bowl, and yeah, let us place it on the butter paper, something like this. So yes guys, I have wrapped the entire balls with the chocolate ganache, and now I'll be sprinkling a bit for decorating our choco balls with the sugar balls. Because they look colorful and beautiful. And yes guys, I have sprinkled the sugar balls throughout the our chocolate balls, and now we'll keep this for around 5 to 10 minutes in fridge, and later on we'll be serving it. And yes guys, finally after keeping this in fridge for around 5 to 10 minutes, our chocolate balls are ready to go. So if you all enjoyed watching this delicious dessert, then please do hit like, share, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching.